Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Today, we're talking about a super smart business idea, starting a car repair shop. Now, why does this make sense? Because cars break down all the time. People need their cars fixed fast, and they're willing to pay for it. That means you can make a lot of money by helping them. Let's break it down step by step, nice and easy. Imagine you're playing with a toy car, and the wheel pops off. You can't drive it anymore, right? Well, real cars are just like that. If something stops working, people need someone to fix it. And guess what? That someone can be you. If you know how to repair cars or hire people who do, you can charge money to get them back on the road. That's a business. Starting a car repair business isn't as hard as you think. You don't need a fancy office or expensive decorations, just the right tools, a good location, and some skilled hands. You need a place to work. This can be a small garage, a rented workshop, or even your own driveway if you're starting small. Just make sure there's enough space to park and fix cars. You need tools and equipment like wrenches, screwdrivers, jacks, tire changers, everything to get the job done. If you can't buy everything at once, start small and add more as you grow. You need mechanics. If you're not a car expert, don't worry. You can hire mechanics who know how to fix engines, brakes, and all the tricky stuff. Pay them well, and they'll keep your customers happy. You also need a license and permits. You can't just open a shop without permission. Make sure you get the right business license so everything is legal. Now, here's where the magic happens. When people bring their cars to you, they'll pay you to fix them. You charge for oil changes, brake repairs, engine fixes, tire replacements, battery changes, and car painting and detailing. Some services are quick, and some take time. But every time you help a customer, you make money. The best way to make money is to have lots of customers. Start by fixing cars for people you know. They'll spread the word if you do a good job. Use social media by posting pictures and videos of your repairs on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Show before and after results, people love that. Offer discounts to give special deals to new customers so they try your service. Once they trust you, they'll come back. Be honest and friendly. If people trust you, they'll always bring their cars to you instead of someone else. Let's do a little math. If you charge $100 for a simple repair and you fix 5 cars a day, that's $500 a day. In a month, that's $15,000. And that's just the beginning. If you grow your shop, hire more mechanics, and offer more services, you can make even more. Once you have steady customers, it's time to level up. You can add more repair bays so you can fix more cars at once. You can offer mobile repairs so you can fix cars at people's homes. You can sell car accessories like seat covers, wipers, and lights. You can even start a YouTube channel teaching people about car repairs. The more services you offer, the more money you make. Starting a car repair business is smart because people will always need car repairs. If you work hard, stay honest, and keep learning, you can turn a small shop into a big money business. And remember, financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. So start small, grow big, and keep pushing forward. That's all for today, gang. Stay tuned for more money-making ideas.